Time takes a toll on everyone, they say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for us to change. So this is just a simple outfit to wear for my Target run. I have my t-shirt and joggers on with my MK bag that I haven't carried in a very long time. And I'm going to put on these MK slides, of course, that I have not worn in a very long time, because they match this bag, and that's basically normally when I wear these slides and carry this bag is together. So just a quick, simple Target run outfit. Thank you. Right, that's why I'm looking at you. I picked up a 12-hour shift tomorrow at the hospital, so I'm going to make some zucchini boats for lunch today, so I'll have them packed for lunch for tomorrow. And I was able to find some new white robes at Target when we went yesterday. This one is terry cloth and it's looking a little funky, so I was glad I was able to find me a new robe. And I also bought my youngest son, a white robe from the women's department because they didn't have any kid robes. So, I mean, he needed a new robe also. So, I'm just really glad I was able to get those. And the other white robe I have is satin, and I just wanted something soft, you know, like this one, but I forget what it's made out of, but it's not terry cloth like this one. I have a couple orders that just popped up on my phone as well, so I'm going to fulfill those, and then I will start working on my lunch for tomorrow. It's kind of crazy how you have to start preparing yourself a day in advance for real when you're doing shifts at the hospital, because that's like you're home away from home. So anytime I have to work at the hospital, which is not often, I only have to do 2 12-hour shifts in a 6-week period because I'm PRN. So I don't work a lot anyway unless I'm needed, but yeah, but you still have to prepare yourself because you're there all day or all night, depending on which shift I choose. So I already rinsed off my zucchini, so I'm going to go ahead and start prepping everything. I have my sweet peppers, and I don't know which cheese I'm going to use. I'll probably just use a combination of both and maybe even add some more. And I have some ground beef that I had made earlier. I need to find a different spot to store this overflow wine that we have. My husband picked up these two here, the Barefoot brand and a red Moscato and a sweet red blend. I haven't tried the flavors in this brand, so he grabbed those so we can see how they taste. And we got this one yesterday from Target as well. We normally buy our Moscato in this brand from Sam's. It's a much bigger bottle, but I really like this Stella Rosa. And it's so good. But I opened that. I had a couple sips out there already, but these two here are some that we already, drink. This is something that we just started sipping on. And I also found this $5 wine here at Walmart, and it was pretty good. It would taste better when I was eating cheese and crackers and grapes. But it's not really something I'll be running to the store to get, but it was a good buy. This one right here is something that we got from Walmart a while back when I got the Stella Rosa. Why I keep saying the name wrong. Yeah, we got this then too, and I have it in a different glass jar in the fridge just to keep it chilled because I don't want to put this big bottle in there. So I've added some red onions, some sweet bell peppers, and some garlic here. I'm just gonna let that simmer down a little bit. I'm gonna add my ground beef back to this pan so it can get warm, and then add a little bit of red sauce, and then start filling up my zucchini boats. I have 3 zucchinis that I've already scooped out the center, and I have them in this shallow dish, and I'm gonna put my ground beef mixture inside of them and top them with some cheese and get them baked in the oven. Wanna go on these ones over here?
You wanna ride this one?
You recording? Oh.
So that lock ain't on there. Hey, y'all can't be on it.
I know I can.
Mm-hmm. Come on this way. Let them run on the feet.
I'm on the